In this video, I will share with you 10 SEO tips to boost your Hostinger website builder website traffic. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account first. Go to websites list, and click on edit website. This is my website on Hostinger website builder, and let's start with the first tip. The first SEO tip is to keep your URL structure short and keyword rich. For example, when you are using your blog, for example, and creating a new blog post, your blog post link should be, go to post settings, and here your blog post URL should be short and keyword rich. For example, this blog post, let's say you are writing 10 SEO tips to boost your Hostinger website builder website traffic. Avoid keywords like 10, for example, tips, because no one, I think, search for tips. For example, two, also boost. You avoid these words. Go straight to Hostinger website builder SEO. Then click on save. The second tip is to use low competition keywords for easier ranking. If you don't know how to get low competition keywords, it is easier. The first way is to use SEO tools like Ubersuggest. This is a low-cost SEO keyword research tool. You can get a lifetime individual license for only $120. This is the license I have. You go to the keywords ideas. Let's search, for example, gardening or best gardening. Select the location first and also the language and hit search. And just like that, you will get many keywords ideas. Go to the SEO difficulty, select easy, and all of these keywords are easy to rank for. Generally speaking, the longer the keyword is, the easier it is to rank. The third tip is to place keywords naturally in your titles, headings, meta description, and content. Let's say we are writing an article about the best garden weed killers. This keyword should be in your post title, the post description. Let's use ChatGPT to write us this post. I am writing a blog post to target this keyword. Give me ideas for post title, post description, post URL, and post content. Best garden weed killer, top picks for a weed-free yard, best weed killers for gardens, safe and effective solutions, the ultimate guide to the best in. This is also how to choose the best, top 10 for lush weed-free. This is my preferred post title. I will use it like that. Looking for the best garden weed killer to keep your yard weed free. This guide reviews the top. This is the post URL. I think this, let's save this. Now for the post content, this is my 1000 words blog post. Now you need to add photos to your blog post with SEO optimized descriptions. To add a photo, it's simple. Click on add element, select the image element and place it like that. Click on edit image, replace image. This is the photo that I will use. Add to page, and let's make a little bit of space and place your photo just like that. To give your photo a description, or it's called an alternative text. Here, for example, a person using the weed killer, for example. Close this window. Same thing for your content. It should have the keyword best garden. As you can see, now let's make this heading an heading 3 or heading 2. Now we have my keyword in a heading 2. Next tip, optimize free images. Here, when I added this photo, instead of adding photos using this free images feature in Hostinger, I recommend you to go directly to the Pixel's websites or service that they use and copy the image from this preview and open this website called photop.com. It is an online alternative for Photoshop. Click on Command V on Mac or Control V on PC and export the image in a lightweight size. Now, instead of having multiple 1 megabyte photos, here you only need just for the width, for example, make it around 800. And as you can see, first it was around 2000. As you can see here, the size is 700 kilobytes. When you jump down to 850, the photo size becomes very lightweight. You can also use this quality slider to further optimize the photo size. Click on save and go back to your website editor. And now, instead of going with free images, upload your optimized photo from your computer. Click on select and don't forget to give it an alternative text. For example, a person killing weed in his garden. Close this window. This is an SEO optimized way to upload or to use photos in Hostinger website builder. Same thing, optimize your website for mobile. Now go to the smartphone viewer and make sure that your photos are well placed and also your text is well shown, the borders are respected in order to be useful for your visitors on their mobile devices. Because if I visit a website and I see that the page is not optimized for mobile, I will return to the Google search results if I came from Google, and this kills your website ranking on Google. An easy way to link to relevant pages together to improve crawlability and user engagement is to use categories. To do that, click on post settings. Where is the categories? This is it. And give your or start using categories, for example, gardening tools. Let's say this blog post is about gardening tools. When after reading or before reading this blog post, if he is really interested with gardening tools from articles from me, he can only click on this category. This way I have higher chances of keep this reader visiting my website or crawling my other articles. The next tip is to use descriptive anchor texts. For example, instead of going with simple click here links, it is better to go with check out my gardening tools ideas, for example. The next tip is to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. If you don't know how to do it, just look for Hostinger Website Builder sitemap and add Ben's experience. You will see how to find your sitemap in Hostinger Website Builder and also how to submit it to Google Search Console. And if you don't have your Google Search Console, just add Google Search Console and you will see how to create one and link it to your Hostinger Website Builder website. The next tip is to regularly refresh existing content. This is not limited to only your blog posts, it is also applicable on your website homepage and also your About Me page and so on. And the last tip is to fix broken links to maintain a healthy website. How to do that? Just look for broken links detector on Google, and you have multiple free tools that I think you only need to fill in your website address, and the tool started crawling your website for broken links. And when you find multiple broken links, just edit your website and leave or change these websites. And that was my 10 SEO tips to boost your hosting website builder website traffic. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.